Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to another brand new unboxing. Let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more reviews and more unboxing. So let's get started. What do we have here today? Well, yesterday Apple released its brand new Apple Watch Series 6 as well as Apple Watch SE, and right now, right here, I have just bought the Apple Watch Series SE, or it's morely called, or it's just more called as the budget Apple Watch. So let's get started. This, as you can see in the box itself, is the Apple Watch Nike edition. It's actually the Nike Plus edition. Just talking about a few specs which we've got over here. So this is the Apple Watch SE Nike edition in space gray aluminum case with the anthracite or black sports band in the 44mm only GPS version. I just got this from the Apple store in Dubai Mall today. So let's go ahead and start with the unboxing of this, along with the Apple Watch Solo Loop band as well in black in color, which is a size 5, which fits me perfectly. And let's get started. Before we go into this, I want to talk about my previous Apple Watch which I've been owning for the past roughly 2 years right now, 2.5, 3 years right now, and it is the Apple Watch Series 1. I've been using this probably for about 2.5 to 3 years now, and this is the 42mm aluminum case, and the thing is, the watch has already become quite slow. It does not have most of the modern features which are there, say, in a Series 3 or Series 4 watch. And I was just looking out for buying the perfect watch 5-6 months back, when my brother suggested that why not wait for some time and get either the Series 6 or also back then the rumored cheaper version. We did not have any exact details 5-6 months back on what the cheaper version was, but more closer to the Apple event date, we got more information about it, and this is what I have got. So this retails for $299, which is just a crazy price for 40mm, and the 44mm I roughly got it for 1269 AED. You can do the calculation, and I'll just put it up here. And along with the band, which I got for 199 AED, the total was 1468 AED. So together you're getting a great bundle, and you got to buy the Solo Loop separately. For few people it might not be that great, but for few people they might like it. So let's dive right into the unboxing. So straight up, Apple's of course changed its unboxing style. You don't need any scissors or knives or pocket knives or anything anymore. They've introduced this from the iPhone 11 itself. So all you do is pull this back tab, right, like that. I really like the color of this as well. It's completely in black in color, the Nike edition. The plastic comes out right like that. It's got an amazing matte finish. So let's just open. So for all Apple Watches, it's pretty much like this. Open it, 1, 2, and you've got the watch itself in this, and you've got the sports band in this, and inside this you've got the various Apple Watch bands and designs and everything in this, so that's also great. We're going to keep this in the side for now. I really like the packaging as well for Apple products, always been a great Apple fan, so let's keep that in the side. First, let's unbox the band. So you do get a default band with every watch you buy. You can't just buy only the watch, but if you want to buy any separate band with separate color, or say whether you want a Milanese loop or do you want a Solo Loop like this, which is also new, you can just buy it. So let's unbox the stock watch band right now, and here we go. Open that. It's made the process way more easier because you can just pull it out, and that's pretty much it. I don't think so you get Apple Watch stickers. Let's get to know Apple Watch Nike. Open that. You get of course 2 sizes. The top is pretty much the same. I really love this color. Black is of course my favorite color. Really like it, this. And you get a medium to large version strap, as well as a small to medium version strap. This comes with every single kind of watch bands you get with the default case itself. So I'm gonna put that in the side, and once we're done with that, let's get to the main product, the watch. Alright, so right off lifting the box, the top lid, you've got your normal documentation, and you've got the beautiful watch over here, which comes in this plastic or paper wrap rather, and there you go, beautiful aluminium finish, and it's just amazing. Really love the colors as well. Clean, bold, sleek, 3 adjectives which I would give it. And of course this time they did not include the charging brick, so you have only the cable which you can plug in with any existing charging brick if you have. Else, if you don't have any, you can buy it separately. So that is pretty much what is there in the box. So let's attach the stock straps. So this part goes on top, right, like that, slides in perfectly, and this part goes in the bottom. And once I do that, just press the power button on the side, and then it shows up the Apple logo. So it is great, really beautiful, and I especially wanted to always have the Nike strap design, as when you're running or when you're doing any sport, it is more a breathable material compared to the normal band or even a band like this. So let's try on with the fitting. So I've got it right here, and pretty much this is the small to medium band, and it also pretty much sets very well, so I really like it as well. So that's great. We've got the Apple introduction page already coming up, so that is also good, and I really love the fitting. So let's move on to the solo loop, and I'm really excited for this because I also tried it in the Apple store and it was really good. So how do we open this? Alright, so it's the same, you can see the green marker right there. Pull it down and just pop it up a little bit, and we have got this, some paperwork, documentation which I really don't need, and so much packaging just for this. Alright, gotta get with it. And it is a black band. So I wanted the product red Series 6, but that was out of stock, so I went for the black SE itself because I did not feel that I wanted so many more extra features. So I wanted a product red or a blue band at least, so that was actually out of stock. So this is actually temporary. I will be getting either the navy blue or the product red solo band itself in the same when it comes on stock. So let's remove this right now. You know the process, just pull this out and it comes out, and there you go. So this does not have any specific top and bottom part, but where it is written 5, you can just slide that onto the top where it is and then the rest in the bottom, and there you go. It looks pretty small as of now, but let's just try and put it in. It is very, very stretchy, and there you go. Beautiful fitting, fits perfectly. I love solo loops and especially wristbands. I do wear this as well all the time, so I really like this fit as well. Way more comfortable rather than having the buckles and the straps and whatnot. So this is really good. So I am just going to quickly set it up, pair it with my phone, and I'll catch you guys after that. Alright, so I've already started pairing my new watch. My old watch is already unpaired and is just resetting, so there was not much any data stored as well in this, and new watch is being paired, so feels great. And there's also an update which had to be done because of the new watch OS 7. The watch OS 7 update is available from series 3 onwards, so series 3, 4, 5, 6 as well as the brand new SE. Alright, so Apple Watch is already paired, so do you want to restore from backup or set up as new Apple Watch? We are going with set up as new Apple Watch. Which wrist do you wear your Apple Watch? I wear it on my left wrist. Now let's see, terms and conditions, agree, and super duper excited for this, so it's gonna be great. But overall I love the snug fit as well as the sleek design of the watch itself, and yeah, it's just amazing. Alright, so we've got Siri, we got okay, shared settings. Okay, so one series done. We've got bold text and size. I prefer the bold text. You can also get direct influence whether you want the bold text or not, so that is great. I prefer the bold text, it is really good. I'm gonna set that. Accessibility, alright. Don't add passcode. Okay, continue. Download Nike Run Club, download later. Okay, continue. Choose later. Apple Watch is syncing, so Apple Watch basics. You've already got over here, got display, digital ground, side button. It is pretty much it. So Apple Watch is almost ready. You'll get an alert when it's done, so you can use your iPhone as you normally would. So that's gonna be it, guys, and really love this again. Can't stop obsessing over it. But just wear it. Super easy to wear with the solo loop, and it's great as well. So tap to select, swipe to scroll, press and hold. Alright, done. Digital ground. Alright. Side button, just going through some basic tutorials. It's pretty much same as my Series 1. The Series 1 had a more square screen, whereas this one has more edge to edge, and I really like this as well compared to the square screen. This is the 42mm, which I feel was probably the best fit ever because it was the perfect screen size for my wrist. Now they have the 40 as well as the 44. 40 is kind of small, 44 is kind of big, but can be managed, but definitely would go for the 44 as you can view many more things. And there in the Series 3 you do have a 42mm as well. You have the 38 and 42, but I just feel that the 44 is better. Alright, so it's been some time, and the setup also took some time. So watch is also ready. Press the digital crown to start. So we've come, welcome to Apple Watch. Alright, so the moment we click this, alright, goes vibrating, and we've got the default Nike homepage. And I'm not sure whether this is there only in the Nike Plus series or whether it's there in all the watch faces. I'm not sure. I think it's only there in the Nike Hybrid series. So wearing it, and it looks really good. So let's go ahead and customize some watch face galleries as well. So of course with watchOS 7 you've got some amazing and brand new face galleries as well. So let's just take a look. So new in watchOS, you've got the Nike Compact, you've got the Typograph, you've got the Memoji, which I definitely want, GMT, Chronograph Pro, Count Up, Stripes, and Artist. The Artist one is also really good. And you've got the Nike Compact versions. This is really good, the last one. Apart from that, you've got the Nike Hybrid, beautiful. Of course, you can customize the colors and everything. Nike Analog, just amazing. Nike Digital, alright, beautiful. Activity, then you've got the normal activity, astronomy, breathe. Artist is also really great. Breathe, California, Chronograph, Chronograph Pro, color, count up, fire, water. GMT is really good. You've also got the infograph, which allows you to basically see multiple or basically different things at once just in your home screen. So you've got things, say if we go in this, you've got your schedule, you've got your UV index, you've got the temperature outside, you've got your activity rings, you've got your timer, you've got the sunrise, sunset, you've got your date, you've got so many things going on. So that is also really good. You've got kaleidoscope, you've got the Memoji as well, which is the brand new one, which I think is also going to be my personal favorite. So alright, so that is going to be great. So let's go ahead and add a Memoji. Okay, now this is my personal favorite, and that looks really good. So I'm not sure whether we can do a highlight, but let's go ahead. So let's go ahead and add that, and hopefully we've got it here as well. So you got the Nike Hybrid and the Memoji as well. Really like this color as well. Analog is good. I like the digital. Just wow, this is way more neater and cleaner as well. You've got multiple options. Definitely go for the black and red, or black and total orange as they would like to call it. So discover page, you got what's new. Welcome to Apple Watch. Alright, this looks really nice. Really love this color, really liking the vibe of it as well. I personally like this color, which is the mint, choco mint, which I generally say it as. Complications are not available for this style. Okay, set as current watch face. Alright, race to speak. We've got some Siri going on. Alright, so I'm just going to remove this just for time being for some demonstration, and look at that beautiful screen. Looks amazing. I really love the watch face as well, and you can of course swipe and see that's the Memoji. I really like that as well. So however you tap on the screen, different Memoji comes. So say if I tap once, it'll go to a different part another time, and it basically gives various expressions of your face, which I really like as well. And last but not the least, you have got as well okay, so these are the main two which are set up now. So of course I'll customize this more and also finish it. So that is pretty much going to be the unboxing and also a slight first impressions review on the Apple Watch brand new SE. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been the second day of the launch of this product, and it's just been amazing so far. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys on another brand new video. See you guys. Bye bye.